Hello, how are you? One of the most popular origami model on our channel is the star. You can find a link to the original video in the description below this video. But some of our viewers said that the instructions on the original video are not very clear, so we decided to make another video tutorial on the origami star, and to make it easier we will record audio instructions too, and we'll try to present it as clearly as possible. Now, before we start, we should mention that the origami star, as you can see, is a flattened model, so along the way make sure to press all the creases neatly in order to get this flattened model. And also be careful that along the way there will be two tricky moments when we must be very careful. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give us a like, a share, or to subscribe to our channel in case you haven't already done it. So let's begin. Let's start with the origami paper with the white side up. Fold diagonally. Make sure to align the edges very well and press and crease neatly with your fingernail. Open it up and fold it along the other diagonal. Again, making sure to align the edges neatly and crease very well. Open it up again, and this time let's fold along the half line. So bring the bottom edge, bottom side to the upper edge, again making sure to align the sides perfectly. Open it up and do it again along the other half line. And crease neatly. Now if we open it up again, we notice that we've created 4 lines, 2 diagonal lines and 2 half lines. The next step is, using these lines, fold along the diagonal lines. So let's bring the sides together along the diagonal line, and let's create like a roof like this, and bring the sides together to create this small triangle. Crease and press the line in the middle to make it as flat as possible, and as you can see we have a new shape with 4 triangle flaps, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Now this is the first tricky part. Keeping the opening side down, let's start with the triangle flap on the right. Bring it to the left side, then fold this outer line to the middle line, align it well and crease. And as you can see, we got a new small triangle. Now bring this triangle to the other side, but please be careful not to tuck the outer side in, but to keep it on the outside. And with this new created crease, align it to the middle line, like this, and crease. Now as you can see, we've created a new small triangle with a small mountain inside. Now all we have to do is to do the same with the remaining triangles. So let's start with the triangle on the left. Bring it to the right, to the opposite side, fold along the middle line, align it perfectly, crease very neatly, and bring the new created crease to the middle line, making sure to keep the outer side on the outside. And again, crease neatly, because inside we've created a new small mountain. So now we have two small triangles with two mountains inside. And we do the same with the remaining triangles. So let's turn the model over. And let's start with the triangle on the right. Bring it to the left, to the other side. Fold the outer edge along the middle line. Align it perfectly and crease with your fingernail. Then align the new crease to the middle line, keeping the outer flap outside, and crease. And again, we made a new small triangle with the mountain inside. And let's do the same with the remaining triangle. Bring it to the other side, align the outer edge to the middle line, crease, and bring the new crease on the other side and align it to the middle line, keeping the outer flap outside. Align it and crease again. And now we've got 4 small triangles with 4 mountains inside. Now the second tricky fold is the last one. We have to fold these 2 triangles on our side along an imaginary line in the middle of the star, somewhere around here. You can do it with your fingernail. It's very important to create a star shape as perfect as you can. So we bring these 2 edges up and try to create here a star shape, and again here on the right side a star shape. Now, if our star shape is almost perfect, the white opening in the middle here should be an almost perfect square. Try to crease a little bit. Now, as you can see, it's not a perfect square yet. Why? Because if we turn it over, we notice that our star is not perfect yet. So we can adjust this triangle here. We can pinch it a little bit down, and this looks more like a star. And crease. Again, let's do the same on the right side. As you can see, it's not perfect, so we have to pinch it a little bit down, maybe too much. Now should be almost perfect. And crease, to flatten the creases below. Now, as you can see, this is like an almost perfect star shape. And if we turn it over, on the back of the star, we can see that the white opening is almost like a perfect square. So this is the back of the star. What is more important is the other side. Please be careful to crease, to press along all creases one more time to make it as flattened as you can. And this is your origami star. I hope you enjoyed our new origami star video and you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give us a like, a share, or to subscribe to our channel in case you haven't done it yet. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.